we find it very difficult to go this side to the jail every time. We have to go to take the signatures of the convicts and all. Tell him. What?
Road is congested, so you need proper one way coming and one way going. Traffic should be controlled.
Yes, there is no notification. There is a service road. You have to go and come. People are just coming and going, and such a small, narrow road. It's accident prone, and we have facing a lot of difficulties to go to the jail to take the signatures of the convicts. We have to go every time to the central jail.
So what your demand?
We are demanding at least make a flyover, at least broaden this road, make it a two-way road, and let a notification be passed regarding this issue. It's terrible all over here, even Tahipadi, even the junction, Pade junction, what we go, we have to wait for hours and hours to cross the road. Please do something about it.
आज आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन चालू केला सकाळी रायट फ्रॉम दादीकडे म्हणतात ते नुसतडे वी विल बी प्रोसिडींग रायट अप टिल उचले सीमा द कन्सर्न अँड द रिझन फॉर टुडेज इन्स्पेक्शन इज सर्वीस रोड्स जायते कडेन म्हाका फाटल्या 10 दिसां भितर भरपूर कंप्लेनी आल्या की सर्वीस रोड्स आर नॉट प्रॉपर इन सम एरियाज दे आर इदर टू नॅरो और टू वायड आणि लोकांक भरपूर त्रास जाता most spaces there is double traffic moving. What is the solution for these things and how are we supposed to move forward with regards to management of traffic once since this highway has commenced? Makalista police department and PWD have to work together to ensure that highway ata already complete zala. We are seeing that still has been many months now. Various allied works are still incomplete. So the reason behind today's inspection is to streamline whatever works are pending. म्हाका याद आसा की 2 महिने पयलीं कितें तरी or I think in the month of December we had done an inspection here. So this service road was incomplete. We have completed the service road. After that I think the press all have also come and we have visited this location. So they have completed the road, so we have come to have a look at the entire stretch right up till Kochili. So I request all of you all to come to stay till the end of the road. The service road complete जाऊना म्हणून ते उरलेले. As per the information given by Highways Authority, some signboards are pending. After the signboards are installed, they will close the road as promised by Honorable Minister for PWD.